Hi guys, good morning. So today we're going to do an unboxing of a table that's multitasking so you can put your laptop. So here we go, let's see what we got. There we go. So basically there we go, it's a multifunctional laptop table. So you can basically do anything you need with it. You can put it on the bed, sofa, carpet, in a field.
You can
Yeah, it's all sorts you can do. So let's open it up.
Let's have a look.
Let's have a look. What's in the box? Okay. Basically what we do is we unfold.
So this is actually computer desk. You can use in bed, sofa, table, carpet, and metal. So this is all the functions and use of this laptop, multi-functional laptop table.
Yeah.
So what's that?
This is for your mouse pad.
That's the mouse pad.
Yeah. So how it works is, as you can see, it's all locked in place. What you need to do is you've got your angles, you need to push, and then it will unfold and lock in. Push.
So you need to hear that click.
Yeah, and it will lock in. Push, and it will lock in. So then you can set it up. So push, lock in,
Push.
lock in. And then you can do however you want. I'm just doing it for
But this is actually on the ground.
So it's got your angles on there.
So that's very good. And I think it shows here. Now it's locked. You can have your laptop.
And then this one here, depending on what size you want, sure the rubber is almost in. Just slide that through, screw that in. And do that tightly. There you go, either a cup of tea or your mouse pad. And then these clips here are literally full. So your laptop
Doesn't move.
doesn't fall off completely. So there we go. And then you can raise it up, lower it down, you can have it. Hi guys, what we're going to do now is just show you how easy it is. As you can see, the platform's got plenty of holes for ventilation, so there's no need to have an extra fan or anything like that. So what we do, just sit the laptop on, And there we go. And it sits up against the rubber feet. It sits up against the edge. Nice and stable, it's not going anywhere. And then basically, you sat on a sofa or in your bed and you don't have a hot laptop. And then you can work in your house here. So you're in bed, sat there nicely, you don't have to worry about it. Okay guys? So anyway, as you can see from my demonstration earlier, just sit on the sofa, put your laptop on, your screen, got your mouse, and away you go. It's not going to go anywhere. Got your mouse, this is, say this will adjust. You can do the screw slightly, you can have it at any angle, so it will adjust. And then, basically,
So it
set
really
up.
sits very comfortably.
Yep, you set up and then you just set it down. Same as on a bed or on the floor or anywhere. Okay? Thank you for watching. So thank you for watching. We do some more unboxing next time. Don't forget to please subscribe to our channel. Bye for now.